Hey everyone, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to refresh your colored hair. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this using Overtone. I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys. I've shared it before here on my channel, and no, this video is not sponsored in any way, but this has been the brand and product that I have been using to keep up with my orange hair. So for those of you who don't know, colored hair does take work. I know it's such a trend now to dye your hair all of these fun, bright, vibrant, crazy colors, but there is some maintenance that goes along with colored hair. It fades with every single wash, which is why it's recommended to wash your hair like only once a week if you have colored hair, once or twice a week, because with every wash it does fade. And coloring your hair, especially if you have dark hair like mine, you have to constantly bleach and add the color, so it's going to dry out and damage your hair, which is why it's important to do any kind of moisturizing treatments to your hair. And that's where Overtone comes in. So Overtone is not a hair dye or anything. It's a conditioner that deposits color. It's a pigment conditioner. I think that's what they're labeled on their website. They are completely vegan and cruelty free, which is why I love to promote it with you guys. They have every color of the rainbow, so it doesn't have to be orange. Whatever hair color that you have, like bright, crazy, fun hair color, they're gonna have it for you. With each different color, like orange for example, they have pastel orange, vibrant orange, and then what's the other one? Hot orange? Oh no, extreme orange. So they have 3 different shades of each color, so you can find the exact one that matches whatever your hair color is. And they have 2 different types of products on their website. They have the deep treatment, which is what I'm using today, and then a daily conditioner. So the daily conditioner is great for those of you who really feel like you can't go long periods of time without washing your hair. You have to wash your hair every single day. So that's where you would use the daily conditioner, and it would help you just maintain and keep up with your colored hair. And then the deep treatment, honestly, I only use this when my hair is super faded out like this. So it's a conditioning hair mask, so it's gonna leave your hair feeling so nice and smooth and just hydrated and healthy, but it's also going to freshen up your color, which is obviously a plus. So all I'm doing is sectioning off my hair and applying the deep treatment to my hair. It does recommend that you use gloves, but I'm a little bit of a rebel and I use my bare hands, and it does stain a little bit, I will warn you, but again, I'm a little bit of a rebel. I don't care too much. So I'm just going to apply that all over my hair, leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then just shower and rinse it off. And ta-da, your color is fresh and vibrant and beautiful, and your hair feels so much better. Your hair is going to be conditioned. Your hair is just going to look healthier and feel healthier. So if you guys are interested in trying out Overtone for your colored hair, I'll have a link down below for you guys. Definitely check them out. I got my little sister hooked on Overtone as well when she played around with colored hair. It definitely works, and I think the product and the brand is super awesome, and they're super sweet. Their customer service is awesome. So definitely try them out if you are looking for something to help keep up with your hair color and ultimately save money, because you don't have to go to the hair salon as often if you are freshening up the color yourself with every wash. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video and this demo showing you how I freshen up my color. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and if you have any questions about coloring your hair or Overtone, make sure you leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Okay, I love you guys. Bye!